Hey guys, I'm in Ashland, and I don't know the name of the park. Yep, just out here and see what it'd be like.
I keep thinking, alright.
So yeah, if you want to see, I'm carrying a pistol, a rifle. Hopefully I can hand some flyers out to people and see what happens.
Yeah, I did it when I was.
Yeah, but it's unedited.
Also, you can clearly see there's not very many people out here scared. So. And that was just only for a few people, not the whole bunch. So, just can't remember the name of this park. What's it called? Alicia?
Okay, I got
Okay, I'm quite surprised. Maybe it's people know the right. Yes, sir.
I didn't know that. I like them.
Because they were with this board dignitary, they were private access, and he said that There's this one there in this temple, and they were sitting around this square. Basically, like this barbecue thing. They're on their meal. So you can eat stuff. He came over, and we were eating dinner, had just stuck. This fish was spear. And stuck it in front of it on a slab, so it was over the. I guess the fish is still wiggling. And then that, just skewered. Wow. And so it's sitting there wiggling in front of me.
I got it right on your sock. I know. Did you see me put it on your sock? I got it right on you. That's like a temple. Not real one.
Oh, yes, it is. Second Amendment, sir. Making sure we don't forget about it, so people remember the rights.
Yeah. Okay. We have to push that. Oh yeah, let's push the button.
No, don't push the guy button. Don't push the guy button.
Okay, over here. Okay, here we go.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, we are.
There's an actual police officer! Yay! The Wild West. That's what she got in her car.
It's kind of like anyone ever stole that.
Excuse me?
First, we're letting these people walk by.
Too late.
It's funny how many people don't even notice.
I know, I'm surprised, especially in Ashland. I know people in Medford don't really know this. Been doing this like in Central Point. Not a darn cop came up talking to me in Central Point for some reason. Maybe because I got so many YouTube videos about Medford, Central Point.
What's the purpose of doing it?
Oh, exercising our rights. Oh, let you know I'm out recording stuff at form. To exercise our rights so people don't forget about them, so people don't use irrational paranoia and fear to cloud their judgment. And everything should be based on facts instead of taking away our rights. It's messing.
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, really no one even pays attention. Like a couple people, like I was just following down the block here, and a couple people after they walk past, they would like notice and like turn around and they'd be like, that makes me a little nervous, or you know, something like that. But,
because a lot of people are nervous because it's not been commonly exercised.
Yeah.
And that's the problem about it. Just hopefully in time that, you know, in this Jackson Carry area.
What are the laws then? Like what permits do you have to carry like that or
okay, in the state of Oregon, the Constitution clearly states that the right of people to keep and bear arms for the self-defense of themselves. In Oregon, your open carry firearm, like openly display, is a constitutional right. Concealed carry is not a constitutional right. It is a privilege. So therefore, you are required to have a license. But it's a shall issue state, so it's easy to just go to class for like 3 hours and go get your concealed handgun license, as long as you don't have any aggressive misdemeanors or any felonies, which I don't have, and I got it because I want to go into public buildings too, because in the state of Oregon, it is not a constitutional right to openly carry or concealed carry a firearm into a public building in their legislature, but it's a privilege under the concealed handgun license to do so. So once you got a concealed handgun license, you can go in anywhere. Yeah, anywhere pretty much, because you are not a convicted felon or any misdemeanors. But you know, I think it's kind of weird because, I mean, not really criminals not going to openly carry their firearms. I mean, they don't want the attention. Right. And Idaho recognized that, and they passed a preemption that means that no permits needed to open carry any firearm anywhere in the state of Idaho, like into public buildings, capitol buildings, court buildings. So I thought, oh, cool, that's really interesting. But we're slowly seeing that. Right. But I'll see where. It's awesome you're doing that. Though. Yeah, absolutely. I'm trying to also make sure our freedom of speech is, you know, exercised too. Right. You don't want to lose that, especially right. I heard that the guys over down there are losing their right to peacefully assemble because of the Zoning Act, and that's bullshit. They can't do that. I mean, seriously. I don't know how what you guys what they're gonna do about it, but it was good talking to you, man. Yeah, absolutely, man. My name's Warren. Danny. Danny? Yeah. That's me, man. Hope I see you around again. Yep. Oh, no problem, man. I think I should turn my camera off and save the battery life for a while. So, peace out.